This isn't going to be a story. This isn't going to be a framework or toolkit or something that with pointers and checklist and do this and don't do that. This is not going to be that video. This video is going to be something that straight comes from my heart. And why this is important for you? Maybe because you are exactly in the same situation where I had been about a couple of years before. And whatever I learned, whatever I experienced, whatever helped me come out of it, I surely want to share it with all of you today. So hi everyone, welcome back, and I'm Vasudha. And you are watching Zarun Wellness. Life is highly unpredictable. All of us know that. We have heard it, we have learned in the books, and this is how we know life to be. It is unpredictable. And there is no amazement about it. We all know it. But what we all don't know is how to really go through that unpredictable life. What we really don't know and understand is how to be in different situations and how to conduct ourselves, how to actually just be. Is that area where we literally fall apart. We literally don't find a way. We literally don't know how to go about it. We literally don't know what to do about it. And it's then that we need that guidance, that understanding. Many a times, a lot of books and people in situations and podcasts, materials can really help you go through. But many a times it doesn't really happen. And we want to have one-on-one interaction with somebody who has gone through it. And that's why the value of this video. Because I feel genuinely that when I was going through it, I literally had very few people who could guide me through it, and then I had to find my own people. It was tough, it was difficult, but when that happened, that really healed me, that really gave me a lot of clarity. Today when I'm sitting here, I'm in an absolutely different zone, and that's why I think it's important for you too today. So whenever something happens in life which you were not prepared about, and many a times you want to just react, say something, do something, run away from it, take some action. But what really helped me and which helped me magically was to just be. When you just stay in the moment and let the moment pass, when you just sit down, relax, and you say that, okay, let me see what's happening. Let me see what I can do. Let me see if there's something I have to do or I just have to be. So when you just start being rather than really working onto it, you give the situation to time to maybe heal on its own, to move on its own. And when you let everything just pass around and you just continue to be, it's then that the magic really happens, because then you have the power in your hands. When we react, we lose the power. When we control, we have the power. Because now I am acting from a place of understanding, place of clarity, a place of, yes, this is what I want to be. Yes, this is how I want to look like, how I want to talk about. Like, I'm completely in control of how I want to be. And that gives me the power onto myself, and it also gives me the power on the situations, because now I'm in a place to command the situations around me. When situations start driving, you lose the power. When you start driving it, you get the power. So start being. Don't try to literally respond to it the moment it happens to you. There's another thing that's just coming to my mind right now, that when the life is really unpredictable, when something odd happens out of the box which you had not even imagined in your dreams that something like this could happen, we need to have a lot of knowledge. We don't invest much of our time into understanding ourselves. We invest a lot of time into this emotional drama that happens with us, which is okay, because I know it happens. It has happened with me too. But what helped me was to come out of that emotional drama and give myself some clarity. So the more you start becoming aware about how to handle situations, how to handle people, how to be yourself and how to love yourself, and when you just start learning about things, you start becoming more clear in your head and you start operating from a place of knowledge and not emotions, then again something great happens in those unpredictable situations. So yes, that definitely helps. One more thing that I did when life was unpredictable was to show sympathy and kindness to myself, because I knew that if I leave my side, there is nobody else who can be on my side. So I had to stick around. I had to tell myself that if this world worked for you, this was not your fault. This was not in your control, and give yourself some time and, go around, do something, invest on yourself, just be kind to yourself. So that was I constantly telling to myself that whatever has happened outside of you, it was not in your control, it has happened, but you can't really bash yourself for everything that's happening in life. You have to be kind to yourself, because people do mistakes. And what is mistake actually? You do something and it doesn't fall right. That's what we call mistake now. So you do mistake, they do mistake, everybody do mistake. Why the hell we feel that I am at the fault? So I stopped being a guilty person always and started being kinder to myself and saying to myself that no, you're not at fault, and you will not think about You will not think like that about yourself. So that was one thing, a constant reminder that I was giving to myself in those days. And these three things I did work phenomenally well for me. There can be many more, but we have to look at the duration of the video, so I'm going to stop here. And I just want you to remember a few things which I said. And if you feel that yes, it's not really passing for you, it's not happening for you, life is not becoming nice to you, and you're not having a clarity, then just stick to these videos, because these videos are meant for that. I know it's not easy, I know doesn't happen in a day, it doesn't happen in even months, sometimes years also. But what you need to remember is, the more you stick to it, the more you work on it, the more you believe it will happen for you. Only those who look for the answers get the answer, and since you're looking for it, you will get it. So yeah, that's all for this video. It was fun having this chat with all of you. Please put down your opinions in the comments. I really like them. And if you are in this video till here, then put something in the comments, which is, I can be in any situation. I can be in any situation. Write it down, because writing and remembering and reminding really matters a lot on the days when things and situations and people are gloomy. Thanks for now. We'll meet to the next video. Till then, bye. Take care and lots of love to all of you from me.